guys, today we're making chocolate coffee cupcakes. They're very tasty and they also look very wonderful. So let's begin. So we have half a cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a cup of sugar, 100 milliliters of water, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 lightly beaten eggs, Firstly, we're going to melt our butter with our sugar, then add in your honey and coffee, then add in the water and boil for 5 minutes. Leave your mixture aside to cool down. Next, mix your milk and baking powder and leave that aside. Next, sieve your flour into a bowl. Now pour in half of your mixture first and then beat it with a hand beater. We'll pour in the other half after we've beaten this half. Next, add in your cocoa powder and your milk and baking soda. Then beat your mixture again. Then add in your eggs. Get your mixture into a medium thickness consistency, so it should be runny but not too runny. Now, if you don't have any cupcake cases on hand, just grease your tray where you're going to put your cupcakes in with oil. and then you could just place the mixtures in there. Next, you're going to bake these cupcakes in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Once they're done, just double check with a toothpick. Just see if the toothpick comes out clean, that means they're baked completely. Since this recipe makes 12 cupcakes, we're doing the other 6 in cupcake cases. In the meantime, whilst that's baking, we're making 2 different coloured whipped creams just to decorate our cupcakes with. One we're leaving plain and one we're colouring it with food colouring to make it pink. To make whipped cream, we're just using double cream and half a cup of powdered sugar. And we're going to just whisk that together with a hand beater to make it nice and fluffy. So we're adding pink food colouring to the other half. Don't forget to leave your cupcakes to cool down before decorating them. So here we have our amazing chocolate coffee cupcakes. They're very delicious and kids will really enjoy them. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, bye!